Hi guys, it's Mrs. Linda Meyer. I'm your teacher in case you haven't watched any of my videos. First off, happy Friday. It's Friday, get excited. And I just really wanted to touch base with you, reach out to you, and let you know a couple things. First off, I am absolutely loving getting to know you guys. It is one of my favorite parts of the year, the beginning of the year, where we get to talk to one another, discover a little bit about each other, and really I start to kind of see your style through your work. It makes me so happy. Another thing I wanted to tell you is that I am so amazed really at the amount of dedication you are putting into this class, for most of you at least, this week. I know this is a ridiculously rough week for you. I know so many of you have been studying. I know so many of you have extracurriculars going on this week. You're finishing off your courses, getting ready for those finals, taking those finals. I know what you're going through right now. I'm not some, computer just grading your work and I don't care about your personal lives. I do. I know that things are really tough right now, and I am so appreciative to you for trying to keep up and for trying to get the work in on time. That being said, guys, if you're not getting your work in on time at 10 p.m. on Tuesdays or Thursdays for these couple weeks, I'm not worried about it at this point. I know what you're going through. I taught on campus for 8 years. This is my first year as a full-time online teacher. And let me tell you something. I know what it's like for you guys this time of year. You are stressed out of your mind. And I'm just ridiculously proud of the work and the quality of work you guys, for the most part, are putting forth in these classes. I'm very grateful to you. So thank you very much, okay? Please know that I am here to help you. That is my job. And I love it. I love being a teacher. I love being an online teacher. I love being able to support you, okay? If you have any questions, most of you have done a great job of reaching out, and I love that. That's you being a good online student. Don't ever think you're bothering me. When kids say that, it drives me nuts. They're like, oh, I don't want to bother you. And I'm like, why do you think you're bothering me? This is my job. I just already have loved getting to know you guys. I love my students. And I just, again, appreciate everything that you have done. I appreciate you sticking with me through some of the issues that I've had in some of my courses, especially you honors kids. I apologize. But it's just been a whirlwind of a week. Just like you're doing this outside of your normal school day, I'm doing this job outside my normal work day. And so trust me when I say I understand how busy you are right now. So that being said, it's almost the weekend. If you are caught up, then I ask that you please take a little break and relax and enjoy yourself, study for what you need to study outside this class. If you're not caught up, try and use the weekend to catch up a little bit, just so you're not getting that far behind, okay? And as always, guys, reach out if you need me. I look forward to our second week together next week, and I wish you luck on any finals that you have upcoming, and hopefully have some fun with family if they're coming in for graduations and such, okay? Thanks so much, you guys. Keep up the great work.